Welcome to Moving for Smarties, where we help you safely explore relocation and turn it into a roadmap for your next big adventure, or help you be content right where you're at. Hi, I'm Mariette Frey. If you've ever thought about moving but felt overwhelmed by all the details, you're in the right place. This channel is full of tips, tools, and insider know-how that will help you make a confident decision, not just about how to move, but where to move or whether you should move at all. Think of it as a roadmap to use when deciding to move. I've moved 20 times in 25 years to 6 of America's top cities, so I know firsthand how exciting and exhausting transitions can be. That's why I created the Fred framework. It's simple and clear, and it helps you make smart choices for your unique situation, helping you decide whether you should stay or you should go, whether you should pause, pivot, or pack, I like to say. So let's talk about the backbone of this channel. It's FRED. So FRED stands for Finances, Robustness, Ecosystems, and Dreams. And we start with your dreams and kind of reverse engineer you into the other three. And then we circle back to dreams, because it's at the end, because once you've worked through the other three, you'll see if your dream is still there, right? You'll have clearer eyes, and sometimes it changes, and that's okay. It's actually really empowering. I'll be quoting some of my favorite motivators like Zig Ziglar, who said, "You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great." And guess what? You've already started. You're here. So stick with me, Moving Smarty. We're here to answer the big question, should you move? By the time you finish these playlists, you'll have the answer. Not just a gut feeling, but real clarity backed by your own market research, data that you're going to come up with, strategy in hand through a framework that works. I know, because I've used it. So you'll discover where you should live, how to prepare for it, and whether this is the right season for you to make a move at all. And the best part, you won't be going through it alone. This channel is built like a journey. Start with dreaming big, then get clear on your finances. Build up your robustness. Okay, I'll do that again. Your robustness or your mental and physical strength. And then you're going to design your perfect ecosystem and community. Each playlist will guide you step by step with real life coaching tips, examples from clients, and yes, a few laughs, mostly at me. So don't just watch one video and bounce. Go all in. Start with the Dreams playlist, follow the Fred path, and see where it takes you. Whether you're dreaming, planning, or actually packing boxes, there's a path here for you. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Make sure you hit subscribe if you're exploring a move or just want to feel more grounded while you're figuring out your next move. Join us inside the Smart Move Society on the school platform. The link to our free community is right on the homepage. It's where you go deeper with planning tools and community and real conversations about finding a place that fits for who you're becoming. You can also sign up for my one-on-one coaching if you feel like you need that. And we have group coaching as well. So onward, Moving Smarty. I'll see you in the next video.